big meal salad.
Your meal is ready?
Well, it's not a meal if you eat it in this.
Well,
Okay, no. We just told everybody it's a meal.
you told everyone it's a meal. I didn't tell anyone it's a meal.
Hi everyone, I'm Kristen.
And I'm Giancarlo.
And today we are going to make a big Italian chopped salad.
Nothing better than a big salad. And it's different than a small salad. It's a meal-sized salad. If you gave me a suit and then I owed you a dinner, would making you this salad constitute a meal? To me, salad's not a meal.
But this salad can be a meal because it contains your veggies, salami, cheese, chickpeas.
It's a lot of protein.
Yeah, it's filling.
Why is it called a chopped salad?
You chop everything.
Don't you have to always chop everything?
No, but you chop everything small. So in like every bite, you get a little bit of everything.
Small chop, okay.
Yeah.
Whenever you're ready.
So we have our chickpeas and we are going to chop some red onion. I don't know, does anybody else do this to open the lid? Somehow. Thank you. I'm gonna get some peperoncino out of this jar. They're pickly and a little bit spicy, or like vinegary.
Vinegary, pickly. Is that enough olives?
Yeah, that's good. Giancarlo has washed some romaine hearts for me.
You will be chopping this as well, not ripping.
I'll be chopping.
You'll be chopping.
It's a chopped salad.
Sorry, chop.
And now we are chopping half of the radicchio. This lettuce has a little bit of a bitter taste.
A little bit. It's got a lot of.
But it goes nicely with the romaine and all the other flavors. Now we are going to use some provolone cheese. Okay, so we have our provolone cheese in there. Now I'm just gonna have these cherry tomatoes. You can use any salami you like. We're just using this mild cured salami.
Soppressata?
This one has a skin on it that I'm just
Most
gonna
of them
peel
do.
off. Maybe.
That one, the skin always comes off nice and easy.
You wanna
Give me a
do it for me?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Hold on, I'm not done.
I'm just gonna slice this salami and then chop that up. Do you wanna make the dressing?
Do I? No.
3 parts oil to 1 part vinegar, oregano, and salt and pepper. And then just mix that together. That's everything, and we're just gonna put in the dressing. That's it.
That's it?
That's it.
Oh, look at that.
If I'm Elaine, I like a big salad.
That's right. Who paid for the big salad?
Doesn't matter who paid.
Another Seinfeld reference, I'm sorry. This is my kind of salad. It's got that like hardiness to it. It's not all leafy greens and...
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Chopped salad.
That's a chopped
Bring it to a party, eat it as a meal, put it on the table with other things you're making. The reason it's Italian is the peperoncino, the salami, the provolone cheese.
Olives,
Yeah, I kind of feel like you need a spoon.
radicchio. Yeah, no, you just try and get everything in the bite.
You always want, yeah, that's your thing. No, I feel like I have to like scoop. How was my dressing?
Good.
Is it salty enough? Mm-hmm. Is it vinegary enough? Mm-hmm. Delicious.
Really good.
Excellent.